Yeah. So much sound like dirt today. Turn on the radio and it make you thirst away. Like a dumb bitch looking for.
I played laser tag like a year and a half ago with my man. Like it was his birthday.
Last time. I want to say 3 years ago.
Last time I played laser tag was last year for my 22nd birthday.
The last time I played laser tag, I was probably like 13, 14.
It was a while, honestly. It's been like years since the last time I played laser tag before that.
I'll say about 5 or 6 years ago. I think it was a birthday party.
I could say at least probably 5 years ago, I can say that. I was, a little, say a little chopper time.
And it was crazy fun. We got smacked and went in there and it was like we were in a different world for like a good hour and a half.
It was really fun. I lost badly by like 15 points or some crazy shit like that. But it was fun.
Came in third place. If anybody tells you different, they're lying.
Laser tag is just like one of those things that I rarely do, but it's tight as fuck, so you want to make that shit even more special when you do it.
The laser class, what I'm expecting is a great time.
A rap show where we get to like play laser tag, play video games, we're gonna eat, we're gonna have board games and shit. It's like, I'm just expecting to have fun.
Man, I'm coming to laser tag to pretty much just dominate. Like, me and Smart are gonna have the best performance. We're gonna get on the laser tag playing field. We're gonna be the best on the playing field, laser tag.
So we're gonna have like crazy fun. It's gonna be live, it's gonna be lit.
I wanted to see people being young, being cool, so youthful and all that. So I'm just excited to have a good ass time.
The laser gun carrying the Milky Way master. I am the laser gun carrying, the laser gun carrying, the laser gun carrying, the laser gun carrying, the laser gun carrying Milky Way master. Come on. I am the laser gun carrying, the laser gun carrying, the laser gun carrying, the laser gun carrying, the laser gun carrying Milky Way. I am.